Welcome back. Now, it's possible that you may use System.io in order to administer your course platform. If that's the case, even though System has its own community, you may want to add an individual to a Skool community. And to do that, you're going to set up your System.io account as the trigger. Now, in this case, we're going to make it so that when an individual has a tag added, we're going to have that individual added to our group. So we're going to click Continue. We're going to select our System.io account and then click Continue. What we are then going to do is we're going to look for the tag, and we're going to select the tag. What we will now do is we will then click Continue. We can then test our trigger. Once we verify the sample information, we can then add in our Skool account. And basically, what we're going to do is that when an individual is tagged in our System.io account, we're going to have that individual invited to our Skool community. We are then going to click Continue. We're going to select our Skool community. We're going to map the email address. We're then going to go to the courses area. You're going to notice that we have more than one course now. We're going to select the course. We're then going to click Continue. And basically, once we publish this zap, is that when an occurrence happens in our System.io account, we're going to set off an action to have an individual added to our Skool community. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.